Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. This is Tim, obviously, like always me on this channel. We're gonna have a temporary channel content takeover on this channel. What I'm gonna be doing is a lot of videos on some of the crap that I got pulled into. A lot of this is essentially gonna be an anti-MLM video series, but they're not going to be reviews. They are going to be like short, quick videos, just kind of saying this is what it is. This is what my account looked like. If I can recall things to tell you, then I'll tell you a little bit about that. But it's basically just making you aware of it and saying, hey, this is this. Don't mess with it. It's crap. Move on. That's kind of the whole point of that video, like all these videos, and there's a bunch of them because I went through a bunch of them. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know that that is coming. Part of it is because, as I said in a previous video, I'm getting a major oral surgery too. So it also helps me to do it now because I need a lot of content so that you get videos while I'm healing kind of thing. And, hopefully I won't, I'll have to be able to talk again, and that's going to take a little while with that kind of surgery. So anyway, I knew I was going to do this, and I figured now was the best time to do it just because I have that surgery coming up. But anyway, those are coming. Thanks for understanding. Hope you enjoy them. Pay attention to them. Like I said, they're going to be quick, like short videos, but pay attention to them. And please, if you're not subscribed, please do that now and go ahead and like the videos that you like on this channel. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.